Good morning, dear students. In last class, I have ended our topic on the type of force. I have explained you two type of force, contact force and non-contact force. Today we will discuss both type of force. First, we will talk about the contact force. Contact force. I have explained you these force work between two objects when interact to each other. When two objects come to contact to each other, then this force is applied. Contact force are of three types. The first one is muscular force. First one is muscular force. This force will be act when muscles will be in action. When our body muscles do work something, when our muscles are in action, then this force is applied. When muscles are in action. When muscles are in action, then this force is applied. Muscular force. For example, a man, a person, when walking, then the muscular force is applied. When a person walking, then muscular force is applied. And another example is extraction and contraction of lungs. Example is walking. In walking, muscles can work. Second example, expansion and contraction of lungs. Another example, movement of food in food pipe. Movement of food in food pipe. Another example, movement of animals. When animals move one place to another place, then this muscular forces work. When we eat food and food movement in our food pipe, then muscles can work. So in these are the examples of muscular force. Okay, when our muscles in action form, when our muscles do some work, then this force is applied. When a person can walk, then muscular force is applied. Our legs muscles do work, then we can move from one place to another place. When we eat food and food movement in our food pipe, then muscles can work. When we take breathe and we inhale and exhale, then contraction and expansion of lungs also a muscular force. So the first is muscular force. Then second one is air resistant force. Second one is air resistance force. Air resistance when an object fly in the air. When an object fly in the air. When an object fly in air, then this force is work, which is known as air resistance force. When an object fly in the air, for example aeroplane, when aeroplane fly in the air, then the force is applied is known as air resistance force. Now third one is frictional force. Third one is frictional force. Frictional force is a type of force which is exerted by the surface of an object. When an object, for example, this is an object, when this object move on the surface, for example, this is surface, when this object move on the surface, then this surface exert the force on this object. When a surface exert the force of an object, then it is known as frictional force. There are many characters of frictional force. When two surfaces come in contact to each other, when an object move of any surface, then frictional force always work in opposite direction, in opposite to motion. For example, let's see, in frictional force, for example, this is a box which is put on the table. We applied force. We applied force on this object. Then this is move, then motion. Then object can move another place. Then frictional force always work in opposite direction. Frictional force always work in opposite direction. So the frictional force always work in opposite direction of motion. Okay. Now second character is frictional force. Frictional force produce heat. Frictional force produce heat. It produce heat. Means, for example, if we rub our palm, then our palm become warm. So this is a frictional force between two surfaces. This is one surface, this is second surface. When these surfaces are contact to each other, when we rub our palm, then our palm become warm. So this is the second characteristic. Frictional force produce heat. Third one is frictional force wear and tear to the object. Frictional force leads to the wear and tear of the object. For example, our shoe sole. When we wear shoes, then shoe sole worn out when it come to the surface. When it contact with the surface, our shoe sole become worn out. ठीक है, मीन्स अपने शूज की जो शॉल होती है वो फट जाती है. वाई? बिकॉज फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स अप्लाइड बाय द सरफेस ऑन द शूज सोल. सो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स लीड्स टू द वियर एंड टियर ऑफ एन surface of an object. Okay, this is the characteristic of frictional force. So there are three type of contact force. First one is muscular force, second one is air resistance force, and third one is our frictional force. Now we will discuss non-contact force. Now second is non-contact force. Non-contact means two objects cannot contact to each other, they do not interact to each other. Contact force are of three types. First one is magnetic force, second one is gravitational force, and third one is electrostatic force. Three types of non-contact force in which two objects are not contact to each other, they not interact to each other. First is magnetic force. When a magnet applied force of an object, when a magnet applied a force of an object, then it is called magnetic force. Magnetic force attract and repel to each other. For example, these are two magnets. This is north pole, this is south pole. This is north pole, this is south pole. When two different poles come to contact to each other, when they then south and north pole, different poles attract to each other. When same poles are, this is north, this is south, and this is north, so then this is repulsion force. So magnet apply two type of force, attraction force and repulsion force. When two poles of magnet are same, then this is repulsion force, and when two poles are different, north and south poles interact, then this is attraction force. Okay, this is magnetic force. Now gravitational force. When an object on earth's surface, then earth applied a force on an object. When earth applied a force on an object is known as gravitational force. It is also known as force of gravity. It is a universal force. It is applied every object which is present on the earth. So gravitational force is exerted by the earth of an object which is present on the earth's surface. For example, I am stand on the earth, then earth applied a force on me. This force is known as gravitational force, and we also can say force of gravity. Now third one is electrostatic force. The force which is exerted by charged particles. Force exerted by charged particle are known as electrostatic force. Charge are of two types, positive and negative. When positive parts come in contact, then repulsion. When negative, then repulsion. It means like charges repel to each other and opposite charges attract to each other. When plus and minus, then attraction force. Then attraction. So like charges repel to each other. For example, positive repel to each other, negative repel to each other. But positive and negative come in contact, then it is known as attraction force. So when force exerted by a charged particle is known as electrostatic force. These are the type of force, contact and non-contact force. Okay. Now our force is completed. In next class we will start pressure. Thank you so much.